Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So from this video onwards, we are going to learn some Java 8 features. And when we say Java 8 features, lots of things come into our mind because when it comes to Java milestones, Java 8 one of the biggest milestone. Doesn't matter in which version of Java you are working. Either it's 11, 14, 17 or maybe the latest version 19. Still, people were discussing about what is Java 8, what's the feature, and what kind of features has been introduced in this version, and because of its functional interface thing. Because from Java 8 onwards, we can add functions, or you can say lambda expressions, which actually let us write some really concise codes. But apart from that, other features has been introduced which completely change the architecture of Java 8. So that's why this topic is required, and from this video we will see what are the features has been introduced in Java 8, and we will do this in a really simplest manner. So let's write some topics which we are going to cover. So I mean, when we say Java 8, so it says always it stands for concise coding, right? Once we have Java 8, that means we are going to write some concise code. And as we are using Java 8, so it enables that functional programming. This was not new in development industry, but Java 8 in Java language it was introduced quite later. This has been already in present other languages like Python and JavaScript, but now it's also added in Java because they have to compete. Okay, now when we talk about features, what new features has been added in Java 8? So it's lambda expressions, right? Then of course functional interfaces, then default methods and static methods, then predefined functional. Once we are working with this thing, we have to understand what kind of predefined functional interfaces are there. So predefined functional interfaces, so there's a list like predicate. Okay, there is a typo. Predicate, then function. Yep, there's a predefined functional interface whose name is function, then consumer, and last one is supply. These are the four base function interfaces, and when we write any lambda expressions we use them. What is that, how to use, we will see this. Then it's double colon operator. Okay, so it's like we use this syntax there, and it can be used with method reference or constructor reference. Okay, then the most important thing, streams or stream API, then date and time API. Yeah, they have lots of features, so you will see that as well. What is date and time API? Then one of the mostly asked question in interviews, optional class. What is optional class? So that also there, and one upgradation that you can also run some JavaScript. So for that they have added Nash on JavaScript engine. So these are the topics we are going to cover in Java 8 lecture. So stay tuned, we will see what these things are. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.